Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews, features, and in-depth analysis of the world's finest automobiles. In today's video, we are exploring the extraordinary 2026 Rolls-Royce Limousine Motorhome, a true masterpiece of luxury, innovation, and engineering. Rolls-Royce continues to set new standards in automotive design, and this limousine motorhome takes their signature opulence to new heights. Combining the elegance of a Rolls-Royce limousine with the versatility of a motorhome, this vehicle is a game changer for those who desire the finest in comfort and mobility. The exterior of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Limousine Motorhome is an awe-inspiring sight. With sleek, flowing lines, a stunning two-tone paint job, and the signature Rolls-Royce front grille, this vehicle makes an immediate statement. The extended wheelbase adds a sense of grandeur, while the bespoke 22-inch alloy wheels complete the luxurious look. A panoramic glass roof and custom LED lighting ensure that the vehicle is not just functional, but an eye-catching marvel on the road. Additionally, the motorhome's rear features an extended living space, giving it the look of a truly high-end mobile villa. Under the hood, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Limousine Motorhome is powered by a refined 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, delivering exceptional power and performance. This engine is paired with Rolls-Royce's advanced 8-speed automatic transmission system, providing smooth, quiet, and responsive driving. Whether on highways or winding roads, the motorhome offers an ultra-smooth ride thanks to the adaptive air suspension system and state-of-the-art engineering that Rolls-Royce is known for. The motorhome also includes all-wheel drive for added stability, ensuring it can tackle a wide variety of terrains with ease. Inside, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Limousine Motorhome offers unparalleled luxury. The cabin is a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication, with hand-stitched leather upholstery, polished wood paneling, and plush carpeting. The seats are fully adjustable and can be transformed into a fully reclining position for optimal relaxation. The motorhome also features a fully equipped entertainment system, including a large curved screen, surround sound speakers, and a state-of-the-art climate control system for all-year comfort. The rear living space is where the magic truly happens, with a full kitchen, marble countertops, a luxurious bathroom with a rain shower, and even a private sleeping area that can accommodate multiple guests. For those who love technology, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Limousine Motorhome does not disappoint. The vehicle is equipped with the latest in infotainment and connectivity, including an advanced touchscreen system, voice-activated controls, and seamless smartphone integration. You can easily access navigation, media, and vehicle settings from the touchscreen interface, while the advanced sound system ensures a top-notch audio experience throughout the cabin. Safety is a top priority for Rolls-Royce, and this motorhome is equipped with the brand's latest suite of safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision avoidance systems, and night vision cameras for enhanced driving safety, ensuring peace of mind for the passengers. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Limousine Motorhome is a true symbol of luxury and innovation. Whether you're embarking on a long road trip or simply enjoying the view from the backseat, this motorhome offers everything you could possibly need and more. Its combination of refinement, comfort, and versatility makes it a standout in the world of high-end automotive engineering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Stay tuned for more reviews from Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest in automotive news and detailed breakdowns of the most luxurious and innovative vehicles on the market.